Good morning, dear students of class 3. We are going to start with lesson 10, adjectives. I will explain this this topic, adjectives, in this video. So before jumping into this, yes, obviously, we will look certain examples in the form of sentence. Now look at the following sentences. Raman is a tall boy. Raman is a tall boy. In this sentence, the word tall has been highlighted. The word tall has been highlighted. Why? Because this word is describing Raman. This word tall is describing Raman. उसके बारे में वो बता रहा है. ठीक है. This word is telling the quality of Raman. That what quality he has. What is that quality? That he is tall. वो बहुत लंबा है. He is tall. The word tall tells us what kind of a boy Raman is. It describes Raman. It describes Raman. Understood? It is telling the quality of Raman. Second example. This is a fat hen. This is a fat hen. The word fat tells what kind of a bird this hen is. Okay, what kind of a bird this hen is. This is a fat hen. It describes hen. Now coming to the third. This is a white cow. Now what is the difference between these two sentences and this? Because it is telling the color of the cow. This is telling the color of the cow. So this is also the describing word. So this white word is also describing that what is the color of the cow. The word white tells what color this cow is. So it is also describing the cow. Arun has 2 balloons. This is Arun. Arun, he has 2 balloons. He has how many balloons? 2 balloons. So the word 2, it also tells us that how many balloons Arun has. Okay, so how many balloon Arun has. So this word is describing that how many nouns. How many nouns. Okay, so the word tall, fat, white and 2, they are describing words. They are describing words. They are adjectives. They are adjectives. We call them describing words also because they qualify noun. They tells the quality of the noun. वो एक noun की quality बता रहे हैं. Understood? It is telling the quality of the noun. These describing words are called adjectives. In English, adjectives are those words that describes the person, place, animal, thing. That means, in short, in nutshell, noun. It describes the noun. Now, adjectives are describing words. They describe persons, animals, or birds, places, or thing, as I said. Now, first important point. They tell us about the color, shape, or size, which I gave you the example in your copy to write. Okay, the lawn has green grass. The lawn has green grass. So what is the adjective here? The word green, because it is describing the grass, because it is describing the color. It is telling that the grass has green color. So that is the adjective. Then shape. I gave you the example. The egg is oval in shape. The egg is oval. This oval. The egg is oval in shape. So oval word is adjective because it is describing the shape of the egg. Then comes size. ठीक है? Tall boy, thin boy, fat hen. These are telling the size of the noun. So they are actually describing noun. So whichever words which tells about the color, shape or size, those are adjectives. For example, white cow, it is telling the color of the cow. Circular table, round table also we can say. Circular shape table also we can say. Round clock. So these they are describing the shape of the thing. Then tall boy, it is telling the size. The size, tall, thin, fat, short. Okay, tall, opposite of tall is short. Understood? So they are telling the size of the noun. They are telling the size of the noun. So they are adjectives. Now coming to the second, they tell us how many nouns there are. 2 balloons. Okay. I have 44 children in my class. So word 44. We don't write 44 like this. We will not write 44 like this. We will write 44 like this in English, in number name. So word 44 is noun because it is telling how many children I have in my class. They tell us about the special quality. Any special quality? We had a delicious dinner last night. Delicious. It is telling the quality of dinner, that how it was. We had delicious dinner last night. Crisp potato chips. Crisp potato chips. Crisp, describing potato chips. This word is describing potato chips. Crisp potato chips. Then kind woman. She was a kind woman. She was a very kind woman. It is describing the woman. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to the next page. Now this is very important. In 4 sentences in part A, the adjectives are placed before the nouns. Now here we have seen that the adjectives are placed before the noun. This is boy. Okay. So here this is the noun and adjective. This is the noun, adjective. This is the noun, adjective. We have seen these in 4 sentences. The adjectives has been placed before noun. ठीक है, वो noun से पहले लिखा गया है in all these sentences. But in this part we'll see. Now look at these sentences. The tea is hot. The tea is hot. The earth is round. The box is heavy. In these sentences, hot, round and heavy. Now hot is describing tea, round is describing earth, heavy is describing box. Are describing words. They describe the tea, earth and box respectively. They are therefore adjectives, but they are placed after the nouns they describe. Understood? They are placed after the nouns they describe, and one verb is here between noun and adjective. This is the tea is hot. Now if I remove this, if I say the tea hot, it will not make sense. The tea hot, it will not make sense. The earth round, it will not make sense. The box heavy, it will not make sense. So that is why we have placed this verb. We have done verb. Is a verb. So is placed before this adjective and after the noun. The tea is hot. The earth is round. The box is heavy. So in some sentences, the adjectives sometimes are placed after the noun, and in some sentences it is been placed before the noun. I hope you have understood. Thank you so much.